I don't I don't know why it's so funny. It's just okay. Okay, so I'm doing a review. Hold on, let me move this over. Okay, I'm doing a review for the Thonapa Heavy Duty Surge Protector Power Strip. 10 outlet, 14 by 3 SJT industrial bike and yellow. Well, that's not what they sent me. They sent me the OXO Good Grip Fry Pan. I, I don't know why it's so funny. I just think it is. Um, uh, the UPS tracking number says it was delivered, and it was. But obviously, it's not a surge protector. It's a fry pan. I don't know why it's funny. I just think it is. It's a nice looking fry pan. Non-stick pro 12-inch 30 centimeter fry pan, 3-layer non-stick, dishwasher safe. Looks real nice. And it's definitely not Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I just I don't know why I think it's the way it just is. Oh gosh. So the next time I'm Randall, I think for it's a good day.